It got in my mouth. Oh, it smells like rotten milk. I'm dying. Ah, it got in my eye. Also, why do my ends look like that? Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Strand. Thanks for stopping by. As you see from the title, today we are going to be doing a protein treatment. I have never done a protein treatment in my entire life. I've probably inadvertently had protein in my products before, but being a low porosity type for natural, I was always afraid of protein. Our hair does need protein, but not as much as if you're high porosity. So otherwise you could have protein overload. We need more moisture, but there still needs to be a balance, and I didn't know what that balance was, so I just stayed away completely. Because if I don't know the balance, I'm not trying to ruin my hair. But in this hair journey, like I said, talking about growth plateaus, I'm trying to get past a certain length, and I feel like protein might be the push that I need. Anyway, let's get into this. So first, I honestly, to know how to do this, I watched Hair by Miss Magic's YouTube video. I'll share in the link below on how she did. She was very thorough in her instructions. So I think I'm an expert now. I think I'm a professional. I can do this. First, start with the little tiny white bottle. You're supposed to apply it to the whole head. She said to put into a spray bottle, so to make the application easier. Oh, it's wet. I did not expect water. I mean, yeah, when I saw her spraying, it was liquid, but I did not. I thought it would have some sort of thickness to it. Did I mention this already, that you need to start on clean, dry hair? Not dry, clean, thoroughly cleaned hair. There should be absolutely no product. I don't want that on me. There should absolutely be no product in your hair. I think I might apply it in sections. I'm gonna make the sections bigger, so I'll start with this section first. Actually, you know what, let me back right up. Okay. Is that too big? Can my comb go through this? See, that's the thing about... Okay, now I have to split it. And that's why I have to work in sections, because you have to rake the comb through it to evenly distribute. And as you guys saw, my hair was struggling a bit with that. So we're gonna do, is that, oh gosh. Oh, okay, that might be enough. I might be doing too much. Okay, and then it got in my mouth. That's disgusting. It smells. Oh my. Okay, move on. Oh, it smells like rotten milk. Okay, yeah. Ah, it got in my eye. What's going on? Also, why do my ends look like that? What's this? You know, I have been straightening my hair more. That's why I'm doing this protein treatment, because I have been straightening my hair more. Do you guys see that? Oh, okay, staying away from straightening. I know it's from using that Tymo, and I know it's also from the curl wand, because last month, because it was my birthday month, I honestly used the Tymo 2 times and the curl wand 3 times in the span of a week. Yeah, 1 week. So that is definitely why. That's honestly too why I was like, okay, let me do this protein treatment, because I heard it's good when you straighten your hair a lot. Oh, this stuff is getting hard on my arm. Yo, my computer's here. Computer, go away. Go away. It's sticky. Watch this. Can you guys see that? It's in my eye. Oh, it's in my eye. Oh my goodness, guys, it's in my eye. I'm dying.
Is it me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama.
This is not a tutorial. Watch. Go. The link is in my bio. Go watch. Miss. Yeah, I have some compromising pieces, and it seems to be the middle. On both sides, here and here. Now, ooh, don't get in your eye. Now, with the leftover that's in here, I'm just gonna spray it around. I don't know if I'm supposed to. Don't talk while it's spraying. Okay, we've used everything. Now we're supposed to sit under the dryer. Be right back. I don't have a hooded dryer, so it says either a hooded dryer or just a regular blow dryer, and just like that. Okay, that's 15 minutes. Why does it smell like that? It's hard. Not trying to break my hair, so I'm gonna go rinse it off. After rinsing it off, you're supposed to put the balancing moisturizer for 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes to your hair and scalp after you thoroughly rinse it. So I'm gonna thoroughly rinse. I'm gonna have to go into the tub because I got that stuff on me, and I'm sticky. It's so sticky. It even got on my phone. My phone has like a lot of these sticky dots. Bruv. Anyway, let me go rinse out, and then I'll come back to put the stuff on. And yeah, oh, my sides of my face are sticky. Of this, like, let's see. Do you see how stiff it is? I'm not doing anything. I thoroughly rinsed my hair. I was under there for probably 15 minutes because I was like, I have to get everything out. And for a while, my hair still remained hard, so I just let the water, I didn't touch it, nothing. So now, the second step, the balancing moisturizer, which it says only leave in for 2 minutes, and it says apply to hair and scalp. Okay. Ah! This is a new towel too. Oh, this does not smell pleasant. Oh, don't get in your eye. And Hairband is Magic, she suggests afterwards to go in with a deep conditioner. After rinsing this out for 2 minutes, go in with the deep conditioner. So I'll be doing that. I think I'm done, right? Yeah, this is enough.
Not a quick fix. You have to, I say you don't have to do this, but quarterly, once every 3 months, and you're good to go. But
I'm gonna go rinse it out now, and I'll be back when I'm done. I'm so tired. Anyways, I am done. the whole protein treatment, I deep conditioned my hair as well. And honestly, my thoughts, I guess let's see my hair first. I had to put my hair back into sections because one thing about me and something that I know about my hair, I never wash it in one section. I never let it get wet in one section. I always section it and twist it. I never let it like that. And I thought because it would get hard, I don't know what I thought, but the last time I washed my hair in sections was when I had a TWA, or when my hair was short. But when my hair started to get length, it would get tangled up if I washed in one section. So it tangled up. It did, which was frustrating because it was thoroughly detangled before the protein treatment. So I shouldn't have had to have done that again. And even some hair, I lost some hair. It was probably a lot of breakage as well, because I did, out of frustration, I was starting to kind of like, I wasn't as gentle. I was like, when parting, I would feel when it needed, but I didn't. I don't even have words. It doesn't get tangled like that, so I forgot what you're supposed to do. Back in the day it did, but I was like, what, 5+ years ago, so I've forgotten all this stuff. And I forgot that you could just I could have just put conditioner on and let the conditioner sit and then detangle, because I was trying to detangle and I was detangling it under running water, and I could have put conditioner on, now to think of it. Actually, even my pre-poo, because the pre-poo, it's a detangle and a conditioning pre-poo. I could have used that, because that stuff literally like makes it. Why didn't I use that? I know how magic that stuff. Wow. Okay, well, I mean, I'm not gonna do this again in the future. Will I do the protein treatment again? My hair, it feels normal. Like, it's not one of those where I'm like, oh my goodness, amazing. The results were so great. But like, I also did deep condition after, so it feels nice and moisturized. But I think if I were to do this, I'll just do it once a year. Editing Shonda here, interjecting. I was definitely downplaying. That person that you're watching right now was just very grumpy because, why am I talking about myself in third person? I was very grumpy because I was tired and I was just frustrated that the fact that my hair got retangled again. So those aren't my honest feelings. I was just moody. The protein treatment was actually really great. Like, my hair felt really nice. I even blow dried it afterwards, and it's never felt like that after blow drying. Like, it felt great. So I'll definitely incorporate this in my routine, probably once a year, maybe twice a year. I don't know, I still have to learn. I'm still learning and feeling my hair. We're on this journey together. But I had to interject because I wanted you guys to know my true feelings, not this moody person that you're watching. All right, back to the video. If anything, I could just use a protein-based deep conditioner if I wanted to do that. I don't think I have to do this whole step unless, I don't know, like, it would have been more beneficial when my hair was dyed to do this. So the past 5 years I should have been doing this, and now I'm doing it when I've cut off all my dyed ends. So helpful, Shenda. But like, my hair doesn't feel like straw, it's moisturized, so we'll see. I'll let you, we'll see the results a month from now, like, if I notice anything different in my hair, if anything good, anything bad, and I'll give you guys an update on that. Anyway, that's it, that's that. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!